Hey, so here I'm exploring a Twitter profile, and you can see here that there is a new icon which is called tip jar. So it's a money icon. You can just tap on it. I'm using Twitter mobile app on iOS, and then you can just send money to this creator or influencer. So you can send money via Cash App, via Patreon, via PayPal, and yeah, so that's basically how it works. So either sending via Cash App. There are also, I think, otherwise dependent on which options this creator enabled. This feature is not available for all the all the accounts. There are some eligibility requirements, and Twitter is just rolling out. But for example, if I want to send via Cash App, here what I will see. Of course, tip recipients may see your name and other information. No money goes to Twitter. So I'll just tap continue, and then I can just use the Cash App. And yeah, just I can add a note, change the amount, and tap pay. So Twitter doesn't take any commission from this. It's the same if you send via Patreon, if you become a member on Patreon, or if you send money via PayPal. So for example, if I use PayPal, I'll just go to PayPal me link, and then I just need to change the amount here, and then I just tap send. So yeah, or if I go to Patreon, I just need to become a member on Patreon. Yeah, so this is just like one of the ways to, so you can select a membership and become a supporter for this Twitter account. So that's how it works. Basically, just a quick overview. This feature is called tip jar. So you can check out if you have that by going to your profile monetization, and then if you have that, it should be somewhere here in monetization. You have ticketed spaces, there are also super follows, and there is also tip jar, but it's a beta feature as I understand, so it's not available for everyone yet. Hopefully it will be available